Borger with the Thorn Collection, Coldwell Banker Global Luxury. I'm here at 13736 74th Avenue North in Seminole, Florida. And I am really excited to show you this home. It is the type of home that rarely comes on the market and words just can't begin to describe. I'm gonna let you take a look for yourself. Favorite things about this house is as you step out from this garden patio, you walk into what feels like a tropical rainforest. It's about a half an acre and it's pretty fantastic and magical. Thank you for viewing this beautiful home. For a private showing, contact me, Sarah Borger, at 727-488-2320. Have a great day and thanks.